Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can add an App Store widget to the home screen on iPhone 12 or iPhone 12 Pro. So first, let's go back to your home screen and then touch and hold on the home screen. Next, tap on the Add button and then go down the list here and tap on App Store. Next, swipe across and select a widget that you would like to use. There are a small size, medium, and a large size. Simply touch and hold and then drag onto your home screen and let go. Next, tap on the Done button, and that's it. You have now added an App Store widget to the home screen. Now, if you tap on the story in the widget right here, it will open up that story, as you can see right here. So if I tap on the top story, it will open up that story in App Store, and in here you can read the stories, you can browse for games, apps, and arcade. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.